eyes and the wings, Vikings. Let's get you flying. Toothless, they're on their way, and the launch isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my trolley. These wings will give you a dragon-sized view of bird, without all the chafing from the screen. Oh! Toothless, you forgot the wings! That is not a good thing to forget. Hang on! They're coming! Hey, Toothless? Well, are you faster, or is it just me? Chief! Watch out! Nice, a barnacle nest. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop, you know. Stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. Now, all joking aside, you really can't be here when these eggs. Oh, not good. Take cover! But I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Berk, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothless?